The expanded meeting of the National Executive Council and State Chairman of Miyetti Allah Kautalhore Fulani Socio-Cultural Association condemned the continuous profiling of Fulani pastoralists by the beleaguered Governor of Benue State, Samuel Ortom, through his satanic anti-grazing law that he has been using to officially confiscate and steal our cattle along the Benue-Nasarawa border, Benue-Taraba border communities. Consequently, we are calling on security agencies to closely monitor the criminal behavior of the Governor of Benue State because of his apparent mental instability is responsible for the continuous conflict in the Benue Valley. The meeting also noted with dismay the recent genocidal massacre of Fulani pastoralists in Taraba State and called on the Inspector General of Police to set up a high-powered panel to unmask those responsible for the dastardly acts and ensure justice is done to the victims' families to avoid people resorting to self-help. The meeting is calling on the federal government to establish a ministry for nomadic affairs with mandate to broaden educational opportunities and address pastoralist challenges. 5. The meeting dismissed the consistent claims that conflicts in the country are caused by harder farmer crisis. It's a ruse. What is causing conflicts across the country is the activities of sponsored vigilantes and tribal hordes that are consistently killing innocent herders across the states and looting their cattle. Thank you very much. Our people are politically conscious. We have a standing directorate for political mobilization and education, voters education. Our people have massively registered for the election. They have collected their PVCs. We are enlightening them across the country. Very soon, in no distant time, we'll organize a national rally where we'll declare our support for the presidential candidate of our choice, and all journalists will witness it. As far as we are concerned, there is nothing unique about insecurity in Abuja. We have been facing insecurity across the country. Our pastoralists have been constantly under threat. They are being killed in Taraba, Niger State, Benue. So there is nothing unique about insecurity threats in Abuja. We just see it as a mere gimmick to heighten tension in the country, and we don't take it as a very serious threat.
What would you advise the security agencies to do at this point?
The security agencies should double their efforts in unmasking the sponsors of criminal activities, violence, particularly governors that have sponsored vigilantes and tribal hordes that are causing crisis, and they are ready to use them for political violence and instability in the coming election.